So we're going to look at the headstand press. I'm going to teach the basics of the headstand first, and then I'll show you the press, which is really beneficial for the press to handstand. So we're going to place the hands down, around shoulder width apart, and then we're going to put the head in front of the hands. That's really important. So I place my hands like this, and the head goes in front of the hands. Let's use the wall just in case, just for safety, just in case you go over the top. So remember, it's a counterbalance. We want to lighten up the feet, and we want to shift forward into the head and the hands. All right, so we're going to place the top of our head down. The first prerequisite is this one here, where we come up, shift the weight forward, protracting, lift the heel to the butt, other heel to butt, and then we slowly start to extend and we get our headstand position. From there, you can tuck and come back down. So that's one to master first before we start moving into this straddle press position. And then from the straddle press, then we can move on to the pike press. All right, cool. So we're going down, placing the head. We're going to shift the weight forward. Once we've got this one that I just showed you, we're going to shift the weight forward, shoot the legs out all the way to the top, straddle, come all the way back down to the ground. So you can see that I shift the weight forward, making sure that I'm taking the weight off the feet. That's really important. If the feet still feel like they're really heavy, you need to push further this way into the head, protract the shoulders and move forward. Once you get to the top, let's straddle, and I want you to hinge at the hips, really fold at the hips and come down nice and gently. Once you've got one rep, we'll aim for two. So I'll show you that now. So it's a touch and go. So we lean forward, I'm ready, I go up, touch, hinge, touch, back up. Cool, that's 2 reps. And the final variation would be legs together. So it's a pike variation here. So pike variation, lifting, keeping the feet straight together, keeping them straight the whole time, all the way back down to the ground. Remember, it's a counterbalance. Keep leaning forward if the feet feel really heavy.